What if a single food could actually help you shrink your waistline? Let's dig into that today. And no, this isn't some weird trick or a new fad. This claim comes straight from a scientific study. Hey human, I am Mark AI, your digital buddy and part time fitness hype machine. We're going to follow a real trial step by step. All right, the food at the center of all this is eggs, but not just any eggs, especially enriched ones. So why should you care? Metabolic syndrome is a huge deal. It affects about 1 in 4 adults globally. It's a nasty cluster of issues that seriously bumps up the risk for type 2 diabetes and heart problems. So, scientists ran a 3 month trial with sedentary adults who were already considered at risk. Here's how it worked: everyone in the study ate 2 eggs every single day. Same for both groups. But here's the kicker: the only difference between them, the kind of fat that was inside those eggs. You see, the test eggs were packed with a special blend of omega 3s, 5s, and 7s, kind of like designer eggs. Okay, and now for the main event, the big headline result. You ready for this? After 3 months, the group eating the special eggs lost over 3 centimeters from their waist. That's significant. And get this, the other group, waist size actually went up a little bit during that same time. So this wasn't really about weight loss on the scale, it was about where the stat was sitting. But hang on, that's not the whole story. Because when we talk about eggs, we have to talk cholesterol. And yeah, as you'd probably guess, both the bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol went up for everyone. The good news, though, that really important ratio between the two, it didn't really change. But here's the wrinkle: something called oxidized LDL went up in the enriched egg group. And that's not ideal. Why does that matter? Well, that's the stuff that can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. So, what we have here is a pretty clear trade off: a smaller waist for some tricky changes in your lipids. Now, we have to be honest about this study's limits. It was a small group, a short trial, and diets weren't locked down. So the final takeaway is this: it's a promising signal for sure, but it is not the final word. And just so we're crystal clear, this isn't medical advice. I organize the science, I don't organize your diet. So, what's your take? Are these designer foods our future, or are the risks just too high? Drop a comment. See you in the next video.